Alright guys, I just got my assassin snails. Alright, look at this. They're up to work. They're gonna start eating these guys, which I have a lot of them. And then later on, all these guys are gonna go all the way up here. Watch, you're gonna see that. So these guys are notorious to chasing these guys right here. Alright, so they started. I started some more in the bottom. I bought a pack of 10, I believe it is. But you can get them in different sets, 5, 2, 3. But look at these guys. They started, and they pretty much eat anything. They could even eat shrimp and fish. But fish, it's kind of hard to eat the fish. But they are gonna eat the snails. That's why I want them. These little snails are notorious. They multiply so quick, so fast. You see that? Plenty of meals for them. Look at my shrimp. That's my shrimp. So we're gonna put these guys to work. I didn't get them for nothing. They're called assassin snails for a reason. So I hope they do work, because I did have a set before it. It did work for a while. They last about a year before they die out. So you constantly have to be setting them up and adding some more. But you can breed them. There's a way to breed them, but they do need some salt to actually salt water to breed and nest the eggs or something like that. I'm not quite sure how it is, but there's ways. And I think these guys are eating one of the snails. You see that guy right there? He's toast. So that's what I want to see, more of that. That's what I got them for. You want to keep your population of your other snails that you don't like, get them with the other snails. So they're called assassin snails for a reason, and they have the stripes, all right, that you can tell. So just be aware that if you got the right ones or not. All right.